How to delete orders in Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can head over the orders into your Shopify store and manage them by deleting it or deleting some of the orders. So it is going to be also only applicable for the fulfilled orders or the fake orders or the returned orders. So you're going to clean up the inventory of the orders of yours by doing this step. You're going to head over shopify.com, sign in for an account, and then you're going to see the admin dashboard. Once you have the access to your admin dashboard, you're going to click on orders. As you can see, here we have some orders. As you can see, we have a payment pending order, we have some paid orders, or we have whatever status or payment status order. Also for the fulfillment, it is going to be also like this. If I want to add an action to that or delete the order, for example, I'm going to tick that order like that. And then we're going to have the three dots. Click on the three dots and you're going to see here as you are going to see cancel order, add tags, archive orders, or you can go ahead and archive the order. I'm going to archive that order and it is going to be archived. So you're going to see it right there. Now you can go ahead and have here the order as you can see clicked, or you can go ahead and select the order and see what it is about. And then you're going to archive it. So when you archive that order, that means that you are going to have it set up. So that means that it is going to be fully, as you can see, set up and also just fulfilled. If you are going to delete that order completely, you're going to, when you click on the order, have this details, scroll down a little bit until you are going to see delete order. So you're going to delete that order and you're going to have here the order deleted from scratch. I'm going to repeat the process real quick. You're going to click on the order itself. You're going to either archive that order or you can go ahead and head over here, scroll down, click on delete and confirm the deletion. So it is going to be very serious to check up these orders because only the tax or taxes informations are going to be set up in here. So you need to take care of that. So you need to count it on before you are going to delete it, or else you're going to have here some problem with taxes. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you in on the next one.